Okay, the finished fire starter. And now I don't have time to be putting these videos together. So what do? We cut up the 100% cotton rag or doily or the thing, what are those called that you have the, the thing that you use to get hot pots, whatever. Anything that's 100% cotton, cut it up, fit it into whatever tin you have, pour a little bit of this just to soak in, light some tea lights, pour all of the liquid paraffin into your tin. The tin is just to hold it. Do not put the tin in the fire. It's just a container to make it in and carry it in. Look how well this has worked. So you've got I've got about 3 cotton. See, I just want it to be kind of candly. It's not, most of it's not even got much wax on it. It's perfect. It's like a rag that'll catch fire. So it's got that stuff in it, and then it's got the wax on it, and it's in our tin, and it's ready to go. Oh, and do not throw these in the fire when you're out in the forest.